In today's video, I'll teach you how to save ChatGPT chat history as a PDF. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. Now click on the search bar and type in chatgpt.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of ChatGPT. Make sure you're logged in to your account. You can see over here, initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you look at left, you'll be able to see your chat history over here. So what you can do is simply click on the specific conversation of your choice. After you do that, that particular conversation will be opened. Keep in mind, in ChatGPT, you'll not be able to find the option for directly saving as PDF. So in this case, what you have to do is use the feature of your browser. Make sure the text are visible in the conversation. Now after you do that, what you have to do is click on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now click on this option, print. If you're using any other browser than the Google Chrome, what you have to do is press Ctrl P on your keyboard. Now after that, you'll be able to print the pages. You can see over here your conversation with the ChatGPT will also be included over here. So what you have to do is simply click on the field of destination. Make sure to select this option for save as PDF. Now click on the save option that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now you'll have to choose the destination. Simply click on the destination of your choice. Now click on this option, save. Now wait for a while. Now after a while, you can see over here the PDF will be saved. You can simply open the PDF and you can also read it. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you save ChatGPT chat history as a PDF. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.